Hi everyone, welcome back to Glam and Beyond. If you're new, my name is Yadi and I'm a licensed esthetician and aesthetics educator. On this channel, I simplify skincare science and aesthetics education to help beauty professionals, students, and skincare enthusiasts better understand the why behind healthy skin. In this video, we're talking about one of the most important topics in skincare, the skin barrier. You've probably heard of people say your skin barrier is damaged, but what does that actually mean? What is a skin barrier? What causes it to become compromised? What are the signs? But most importantly, how do you repair it? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how the skin barrier works, why it's essential for skin health, and how protecting it can help improve almost every skin concern. I'm going to invite you to follow me on all social media platforms as Glam and Beyond to stay connected with me. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with a friend. Now let's get started. What is the skin barrier? The skin barrier is the outermost protective layer of the skin, mainly found in the stratum corneum, the top layer of the epidermis. Its job is to protect the body from outside irritants while keeping moisture inside the skin. The skin barrier is like a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks. Lipids, fat oils are the cement holding the bricks together. That's one way to think about it. This barrier helps prevent water loss, protect against bacteria and pollution, reduce irritation and allergens, sensitivity in the skin, keep the skin healthy and balanced. Main components of the skin barrier. The skin barrier is made up of ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, skin cells, also known as corneocytes. These ingredients work together to keep the skin sealed and protected. Okay, so what damages the skin barrier and how does the skin barrier become compromised? Examples of a few common causes would be overexfoliation. You will be surprised as to how many clients, for say, are overexfoliating their skin, or they're using too many acids. They're using harsh cleansers, extremely hot water, misuse of products. It's really big at the moment. Sometimes people go based on what they see on social media and using products that are not for their skin type or condition can definitely affect the skin barrier. Sun exposure, aggressive treatments, picking at their skin, and not moisturizing. All of that can compromise the skin barrier and affect the transepidermal water loss within the skin. When that is compromised, the skin barrier is not able to hold any moisture in, allowing for allergens and many things to go through the cracks, and that's what causes a lot of damage. So if you're wondering, what would be some signs of a damaged skin barrier? Well, number one, tightness. Even if you've just applied moisturizer, your skin may feel tight or uncomfortable because it's losing water too quickly. Why? Well, increased transepidermal water loss, also known as TEWL, meaning water evaporates from the skin faster than it should. Number two, dryness and flaking. Skin may look rough, flaky, or dull. Why? The barrier can't retain enough moisture, remember, to keep the skin smooth and healthy. Number three, redness. A lot of redness. You may notice persistent redness, especially after cleansing or applying your skincare. Why? A weakened barrier allows irritants to penetrate more easily, leading to inflammation. Number four, burning or stinging. This is big. Products you've used for months suddenly sting or burn. Why? Well, because the skin's protective shield is compromised, making nerve endings more exposed and sensitive. Number five, increased sensitivity. Your skin reacts to products, weather changes, heat, or even water. Why? Irritants can enter the skin more easily when the barrier is damaged. Number 6, itchiness. Your skin may itch without an obvious rash. Why? Dryness and inflammation stimulates nerve ending in the skin. Number 7, breakouts. You may notice more acne-like bumps or irritation, and that's because the barrier damage can trigger inflammation and disrupt the skin's normal balance, making breakouts more likely. Number 8, rough texture. Instead of feeling soft, your skin may feel uneven or sandpaper-like. And that's because skin cells don't shed normally when the barrier isn't functioning properly. And number 9, dehydrated appearance. Skin can look dull, tired, and have fine lines that appear more noticeable. And that's because dehydrated skin reflects less light and loses its plump appearance. So if you're asking yourself, well, how do I repair it? How to repair the barrier? You want to focus on gentle skincare, moisturizing, hydrating ingredients, barrier repair ingredients like niacinamide, which supports ceramide's production. It improves barrier function. Panthenol, also known as provitamin B5, which is hydrating, soothing, and supports repair. Colloidal oatmeal helps soothe itching, irritation, and inflammation. Beta glucan calms redness and supports skin repair. Centella asiatica supports healing and reduces inflammation. Allantoin helps calm and protect irritated skin. Bisabolol, soothing compound derived from chamomile. Calendula helps reduce irritation and inflammation. Aloe vera, hydrating and calming. Green tea extract, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Sodium PCA, naturally found in skin, helps bind moisture. Urea hydrates while gently softening rough skin. Thought I'd give you guys a little visual of some products that are great or would be great for barrier repair. We have Helen Hush Quiet Wash, Glyved's Gentle Gel Cleanser, Circadia's Lipid Replacing Gel. We have KRX Sika Recovery, which is a 2-in-1 cleanser. We have Glyved's Plus Comfort Cream. We have Glyved's Plus Skin Recovery Mist. We have Circadia's Chronocalm and KRX Jelly Mist Mask, which is really great, by the way. And of course, Circadia's SPF 37, and of course, any SPF of your choice could work. But anyways, this is just a few of so many other options, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea. Now that you know of some ingredients that can help you repair the skin barrier, let's discuss what to avoid during repair. Number 1, physical scrubs. Think of your skin barrier like a wall with tiny bricks and mortar. When the wall is damaged, using a scrub is like taking sandpaper to a cracked wall. So you want to avoid walnut shell scrubs, sugar scrubs, apricot scrubs, rough cleansing brushes. Instead, use a gentle cleanser and let your skin heal naturally. Number 2, strong acids. I love acids and they're all great, but when your skin barrier is impaired and your skin is really going through it, less is more. AHAs and BHAs are fantastic ingredients, like I mentioned, but not when barrier is already compromised. So for examples, high percentages of glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, and professional chemical peels, I would say wait until your skin barrier is completely healed to proceed. These ingredients intentionally exfoliate by loosening dead skin cells. If the barrier is already weak, they can increase burning and stinging, cause redness, increase water loss, and delay healing. Think of it as putting lemon on a paper cut. It just doesn't work well. Number three on this list is using too many active ingredients. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to fix every skin concern at once. So, for example, vitamin C in the morning, retinol at night, exfoliating acid 3 times a week, acne treatments, brightening serums. You guys, none of these are necessarily bad individually. We're not talking about that. We're not saying that. We're talking about what to avoid during the skin is trying to heal. But layering several active ingredients can overwhelm the skin, making the progress a lot slower or making things worse. Less is more during barrier repair. So focus on gentle cleanser, moisturizing, and just using sunscreen. Number four, over steaming. Many people think steam hydrates the skin, but guess what? It doesn't. Steam softens the outer layer of the skin and temporarily increases circulation, but excessive heat can strip away protective lipids, oils, increase inflammation, increase transepidermal water loss, leave the skin feeling tight afterwards. So, not a good idea. If your skin is already feeling sensitive or burns, skip facial steam until the barrier has completely recovered. Number five on this list is fragrance heavy products. Fragrance isn't automatically bad, but when the skin barrier is damaged, it becomes much easier for potential irritants to penetrate the skin. This may lead to burning, redness, itching, allergic contact dermatitis, increased sensitivity. So look for products labeled fragrance free for sensitive skin. Remember, fragrance free means no fragrance has been added. Unscented doesn't always mean fragrance free. It may contain ingredients to mask the odor. Number six, overusing benzoyl peroxide. We like benzoyl peroxide, but not during repair. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the most effective acne ingredients because it kills acne causing bacteria. However, it also can be drying, may disrupt the skin barrier when overused, increases irritation, causes peeling, can leave the skin red, and of course uncomfortable. This is especially common when someone uses benzoyl peroxide cleanser, a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment, acne pads, retinol, salicylic acid, all in the same routine. This is where a lot of people go wrong, you guys. The result, well, instead of improving acne, the skin becomes inflamed, irritated, and even more prone to breakouts because a damaged barrier can trigger inflammation. So, if you're a new esthetician, an esthetician student that is trying to learn about all of these things, just some advice. An impaired skin barrier is a sign that the skin is stressed, inflamed, and very vulnerable. As professionals, our goal is to protect the skin, not push it beyond what it can actually tolerate. So, remember that. You guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found all of this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Be sure to follow me on TikTok or Instagram to stay connected with me and not miss out on the fun. Thank you for watching and thank you for your continued support. If you're new, consider subscribing. But you guys, as always, let's keep going. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.